students question that when we are there to study, we are not able to concentrate. There are lots of distractions around. So we are not able to pay attention to what we want and absorb the content in a given duration of time. What could be done and what are good remedies to get out of it? The first thing is keep yourself away from gadgets. Let's say you are there to study for next 3 hours. Keep away your cell phone. Keep away all kinds of electronic gadget for the while. Even if you are studying on an electronic gadget, then try that you are not opening any social media platform, any gaming platform. So that's the first thing. The second important thing is watch for the distractions. What are the real distractions? Is it the social media? Is it your peer group? Is it someone from your family? Are there education pressure? Is there education pressure that is mounting onto you? Or there are issues that you are not able to understand what you are reading. So identify the real problem behind the fact that you are not able to concentrate. Sometimes so happen that you are really a good student, but one of the topics you are not able to understand. In that situation, what happens is you are facing issues with comprehension. So probably you require some other place where you can get better guidance on the same issue and get an in-depth picture about it. The second important thing that we need to understand here is what are the ways through which you can keep your motivation high. So one important thing is reward yourself. Probably set a target that if I am able to complete this much, this would be my next goal. So it could be rewards in terms of education itself. It could be rewards in terms of motivating yourself. So you can set any minor reward for yourself, and that reward would help you keep motivated and work forward. The next important thing is be ready to take a challenge. When I say be ready to take a challenge, that means challenge yourself. I should be able to complete this topic by this weekend, and I have taken it as a challenge. I consider this topic to be very difficult, but still I want that I would complete this topic by this weekend. The next important thing is set targets. Don't study blind. That means what happens is when you are enrolling with a coaching institute or with someone who is mentoring you, what is the added advantage there? The only added advantage I can point out is you get a guideline. That means this much portion or 40% of the syllabus has to be completed in next 3 months. Next 20% has to be completed in next 4 months, or whatsoever the guidelines are. Now this is something which you are not able to achieve when you are yourself sitting down and studying. So in order to make yourself more involved in your work, you need to have targets, you need to have deadlines. So once there are targets, once there are deadlines, you would focus on achieving those, and that's the way you would be able to avoid any kinds of distraction that occur. So focus on your goal. Sometimes give time to yourself. That means try a little of yoga, relaxation, meditation, and all these things would ultimately help you to have a better focus on your studies, a better in-depth understanding of